If you ever had a music video idea in your head but didn't have the budget, the production team, or even a finished song, you need to see this. Today I'm testing OiiOii.ai and its new feature called MV, which turns a simple idea into a complete original music video through a guided AI workflow. What makes this interesting is that MV doesn't just give you one random result from one click. You actually shape the project step by step. You can start with a text prompt describing your concept, the lyrics, the story, or the mood, and you can also add an image, video, or audio reference to guide the direction. So instead of saying, make me a cool music video, you can give it something much more specific. For example, you could upload a character image and ask for a cinematic anthem around that character. You could use a short video reference to influence the pacing or camera movement, or you could add an audio reference to guide the genre, instrumentation, or overall mood. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So for this example, I'm going to build a short story-driven music video from scratch. I'll start with a prompt describing the concept. I want a futuristic traveler moving through a neon city at night, searching for a signal from another world. I want the music to feel emotional, electronic, cinematic, and slightly mysterious. Now, once I enter the prompt, as you can see, OiiOii.ai begins shaping the concept instead of immediately jumping to the final video. Now, this is what I like about the MV workflow, because it gives you more creative control. You are not just watching the AI make every decision for you. You can guide the idea as it develops. The step-by-step structure also makes OiiOii approachable for beginners with zero AI tool experience, guiding them through each stage so they can create work that matches their vision. Next comes the music, my favorite part. MV can generate a fully original AI-composed soundtrack for the project. Now, this is important. It isn't simply dropping in a licensed song or using a pre-made music template. The soundtrack is created specifically for the music video you are building. Awesome, right? Yes, indeed. From here, I can review the direction and make sure the sound matches the story I want. If I were creating something for a brand, I could take the same approach and turn a product mode into an original jingle or musical spot. If I were creating content around an original character, I could give that character a complete debut theme song and music video. After the music direction is set, the workflow moves into the visuals. Now, this is where the concept starts becoming a full music video. The visuals can be shaped around the story, the pacing, atmosphere, and references you provide earlier. Because the process is broken into stages, you can understand how the final result is being built instead of only seeing the finished output. OiiOii.ai also features the cutting-edge Seedance 2.5 model alongside other excellent selectable models, giving creators extensive possibilities to bring their creative ideas to life. And that matters because good AI content usually starts with clear direction. The more specific your concept is, the easier it is to create something that feels intentional. A strong mood, story, visual reference, or sound reference gives the model something useful to work with. Now let's look at the finished result. You guys like it? Of course you do. What started as a short text description has become an original music video with its own soundtrack and visual direction. There was no filming, no recording studio, and no traditional music production required. I still had input throughout the process, but OiiOii.ai handled the heavy production side. Awesome, right? Yes, indeed. You can also find ready-made MV examples on the OiiOii.ai platform. These are useful if you want inspiration before starting your own project, or if you simply want to see the styles, the concepts people can build with that feature. I can see this being useful for many creators. Maybe musicians could prototype visual concepts for songs, storytellers could turn short ideas into native music videos, marketers could create original product jingles, content creators could build theme songs around characters, personal moments, or online brands. And if you like experimenting with AI like me, you can combine different inputs, visuals, and see how they influence the final result. The biggest thing to understand is that MV is not only about generating a final clip, it is about the workflow from prompt to concept to original music to visuals and finally to the completed music video. Now that step-by-step structure is what gives you room to direct the creative process. So what are you waiting for? If you want to try OiiOii.ai for yourself, check the exclusive invitation link in the description and the pinned comment, of course. New users who sign up through my link can receive extra credits, which means you will have more room to experiment and produce additional videos. I'll also leave the official OiiOii Discord in the description. If you want to join the community, you are welcome and see what other creators are making and keep up with the future updates. And there's another reason to check them out right now. OiiOii is currently running a short film challenge where creators can make an AI film, have their work reviewed by industry judges, and compete for up to $5,000 in prizes. They plan to run more contests in the future as well, so follow OiiOii on their social channels if you want to stay updated. So if you already have an idea, maybe a lyric, a mode, a character, a product, or even just one strong visual reference, MV gives you a way to turn it into something much bigger. Write the concept, shape the sound, direct the visuals, and build a fully original music video with OiiOii.ai. Like I said, OiiOii.ai is an all-round creative workflow tool. Both seasoned professionals and casual hobbyists can quickly turn their inspiration into polished, complete AI-generated music videos. Check the link below, try MV, and see what you can create. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.